Welcome to the Overtaxed Taxpayer channel. Let's take a look at the silver and gold markets. By the way, if I haven't told you what I use Kitco Metals. Type in Google Kitco, K-I-T-C-O, Metals. It'll take you right to the charts I use. So for me, this is good news. It's showing gold is down $58.70 and silver is down another $1.12. It just moved again. So both markets are down, and that's good news. That was as of what, Friday, 5 o'clock. So for me, it's good news. Why? Because I'm looking to buy. And I'd rather buy low, like you all, than buy high. Now, it's always good to see the markets move. It's always good to see those markets jump up. It shows that there's still a pulse, still life left in the freaking silver and gold market, doesn't it? It makes you feel good. But at the end of the day, really, we really want to buy on the low. So, I didn't forget you folks. Did not forget you. I have to wait for payday. I'm just a normal human being. This is not some super big YouTube channel where I'm making thousands of dollars a week or a month. I have to, like you, go to work and earn my money the hard way. But remember, every payday, we got to put away some money towards our silver coin. No matter what size you picked, I'm striving for that quarter ounce. My gold fund envelope. Gold colored envelope. You probably can't tell with this poor lighting in here. The $50 that I put in last week, I should say 2 weeks ago or last week, I can't even remember anymore. And the 50 that I'm going to put in this week. How much are you putting in this week? Leave a comment in that last video, the gold challenge video, if you would. Let me know how much you put in this payday. I mean, every time you put money in that envelope, no matter how small the increment is, leave a comment in that video. Let me know how much you put in. I'm trying to get a grasp of when we're going to all, as a group, as a collective, buy. Okay? I keep getting a lot of questions. Well, when is your challenge over? When's your challenge over? Well, I'm trying to do it to where when the bulk of the people that are in this challenge have the money to buy when they're ready. So I'm trying to hold out as long as possible. I'm hoping maybe another 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Let's just shoot for 6 more weeks. But I'm also not waiting on you. I'm also hoping the gold market drops a little bit. So there's no rush. This is absolutely no rush. Okay? That gold's there. It's good as ours.